Okay, my fourth website is getepic.com. I use this in small group reading where my students that are above grade level or on grade level get to pick books that they like but get to use the computers. These are for elementary students. I chose ISTE standards 6A and 5C. The goal is just for kids to get interested in books and just different types of books. Some that I may not have in my library or we don't have in our school library. So when you go on, you're going to have to sign up. So I'm going to sign in under my account. Students will sign in with a class code. So my class code is this one right here. And here is my dashboard. I can add students. So when they go, they can come up here and they can actually explore. So this is like their kind of dashboard. And there's all different types of books that students can look for. They can even search up here for different books. So say they want to learn about horses. They can click and type in horses, and it brings up all different types of books that are about horses or or have horses in the story. So there's all different levels. And I can get my students to have just read to me books, or I can have them have audio books or video books. I can choose for them not to have them based on their levels. There's all sorts of different things you can use Get Epic with, and all different levels. And I just love the differentiation that it has. So here's my fourth website. Thank you.